Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so the question here says that A, B, C, D and E are seated such that A and B are always together. Okay, given this condition, we need to find the probability that E occupies the middlemost seat. Okay, so now first of all, if we have to find number of ways to seat A, B, C, D, E such that A and B are always together. If we do that, this will give us the total number of ways of the seating arrangement. Okay, so there are 5 students. A and B is a group, let them call it as G group, then C, D and E. So there are 4 entities. These can be seated in 4 factorial ways. Inside the group there is A and B. They can be seated in 2 ways. Okay, so 4 factorial into 2. 4 factorial is 24. 24 into 2 is 48. So the total number of ways they can be seated such that A and B are always together is 48. This is the total number of ways the seating is happening. Now if you look at it, we have these 5 seats. If E is in the middle, okay, now if E is occupying the middle, A and B can come here, A and B. It can also be B and A. Okay, here I can have C and D. It can also be D and C. Okay, so over here there are 2 possibilities to arrange A and B. Okay, why I have written A, B? Because A and B are always together. Okay, so there are 2 ways A and B can arrange. Over here similarly there are 2 ways C and D can arrange. So we are arranging A and B and C and D. So the number of ways they can arrange is 2 into 2, which is 4. Okay, so there are 4 ways this can happen. Also, if you look at it, A, B can and C, D can switch the positions. That means E is here, I can have CD or DC here on this side of E, and AB and BA here on this side of E. This will also give me 2 into 2, total 4 arrangements. So either the seating will be like this, A and B on this side, C and D on this side of E, or the arrangement will be like this, C and D on this side, A and B on this side. So the total number of arrangements will be 4 plus 4 because there is an OR here. So 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Okay, so now if you look at it, total number of ways such that E is in the middle is 8 and total number of arrangements are 48. So the probability has to be 8 upon 48. Okay, total number of successful outcomes are 8 and total number of outcomes is 48 in the universe. So it is 8 upon 48, which is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so 1 by 6 is the answer to this question. This is how we solve this question.